Welcome to the Greenstone plant. We've been working hard to optimize and improve our processes to eliminate lead times for your project's timeline. We can fit in any project size, any type, almost as soon as we get it. If you get us your required information, our design team can spin things around and get it to the plant in a hurry. In June, we've been averaging 150 panels a day, and unless you're a large commercial client, that'll be about the size of your buildings. So if you get us the information, we'll get you your panels, get you on site, and get you building right away.